Hi techies, in this video I'm gonna cover how to schedule the IICS jobs using IICS scheduling itself and what is blackout period and how to configure blackout period in IICS. I'm going to show in this video. So if anybody don't know these two topics, please go through this video. And first of all, I'm just going to show you how to create a new schedule, because if you want to schedule any job, first of all, we have to create one schedule. Okay. I'm just going to give the scheduling name. This I'm doing in the administrator window. Okay. In administrator, we have schedules, right? If you click on this, then we'll get this option. If you click on this, we'll get this new schedule option. So here we have to give the connection name, sorry, schedule name. I'm just giving my schedule. Okay, some name I'm just giving. You have to give the description also, but it's not mandatory. And here schedule start time, like when we are going to create the schedule, until how many days we have to run this schedule. We have to give here. Okay, first it's just asking only start of schedule. So today only is by default it's taken 224 2024 5:20 a.m. It's okay. This is fine, but I'm just going to change time zone. So I'm just going to give Indian standard, because I'm an Indian and I'm in India. So I want to keep Indian time standard. Okay. And now I'm just going to keep repeat, right? Does not repeat is one of the option, and every n minutes, every hourly, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever we want as per the business requirement, actually we can keep this one. But my job has to run every n minutes because I'm going to show you now itself. Okay. And every 5 minutes is going to be run. You can set the minutes also here. And you can even, you can check these which days this jobs has to be run, this schedule has to be run. Those days you have to select. Right now I'm just going to select only Saturday, because I don't want to run this schedule tomorrow, because just for demo purpose I'm showing here. And time range here, all day, or start time we have to give. All day means 24 hours and it's going to be run all 24 hours. And here I'm just going to give some start time as 6:50. This is fine. Or like we'll give 7. Okay, right now my time is 6:53, so I'm just going to give 7. So 7, right? So I'm just going to give 11:50 or 11:55 till 12 o'clock. It's going to be done till 11:55, means our jobs will start at 11:55 and mostly it will end by 12. Okay. And now here repeat until is this option. If we don't know till how many days this schedule has to be enabled, I mean this schedule has to be run, if we don't know, then we'll give this repeat indefinitely. But we know that till these many days only we have to run this schedule, means we have to give this end date and time. Okay, but I'm just going to give repeat indefinitely only. So I don't know at which day I'm going to stop this scheduling. Okay, right? So I'm just going to save this. If you see here all the details, it has given schedule details. So schedule name and created on, and updated on. If you do any changes, updated this schedule, then it will show here that date when you have updated. This is created date. So this will not change created. Okay. Created by my name, my ID, and updated by my ID. Okay. And if you see here, there is a scheduling option starts and at what time it's just started. The schedule has started when we created the schedule. Everything is going to be show here, right? So time zone and repeats every n minutes. This schedule has going to be run and every 5 minutes on Saturday only it's going to be run between 7 to 7 p.m. to 11:55 p.m. and repeat indefinitely. So we are not going to keep this schedule till these many days. This schedule has to be run. We don't know that date, we haven't given. So this what, okay, it's showing here the details whatever we have given. And now I'm just going to show you how to assign a task flow for this schedule. Okay, for that we have to go data integration. I don't know I have created any task flows or not, because this is my trial version. We'll see. I hope I have created 1 or 2 tasks. Yeah, if we go to this test folder, I have 2 task flows. Okay, this first task flow I'm just going to see any schedule jobs are there. No, I haven't created any schedules earlier and I haven't assigned to any schedule jobs. Okay, so now I'm just going to add to the schedule. This task flow I'm just going to add to this schedule. So task flow 1, I'm just giving my job name. We can give anything, but for identification, like easily identify this task flow 1 is the job name if we have task flow 1. Okay, same name I'm just giving, task flow name only I'm just mentioning here as my job name. And schedule we have to select. I have only one schedule, right? I just created now, so it's showing only one. It's automatically assigned to the schedule. Okay, so whatever we have given in the schedule, that everything starts and repeats, next schedule run, everything is showing here. Okay, so I'm just going to assign schedule. But before, you have to see this one also, new schedule. From data integration, data integration we want to create a schedule, we can use this option, but I already created from administrator. Okay, if you want to do this one from data integration module also, you can schedule this. Okay, but I have already some schedule, right? So I'm just using this schedule. I'm just assigning the schedule. So if you go and check schedule jobs, okay, you will see, yes, already it's scheduled to this job name. Task flow 1 is going to be schedule, is already scheduled. Okay, now I'm going to assign this task flow to some schedule. Okay, there is only one task. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, this task flow 2 I'm just going to give to, I'm just going to create one more schedule, new schedule. Okay, so to explore these options also from data integration. Okay, earlier how we created in administrator a new schedule, like that only we have to give all the properties here. So I'm just giving my scheduling to, okay, my schedule to. Okay, so description I'm not giving, same as it is, it's showing the options. And start, Okay, starts from 5:30 a.m. today. It's okay, no issues. And now I'm going to give Indian Standard Time again, and every n minutes is going to repeat. So interval I'm just giving 5 minutes, and Saturday only I want, so I'm just going to check only Saturday. Okay, time range all day I'm just giving, repeat indefinitely. Okay, save. So now I'm just going to assign schedule. So just task flow 2 I'm giving. So I'm scheduling to this new task flow whatever now we have created my schedule 2. Okay, assign schedule. It's going to be assigned. I think we'll see in the schedule jobs. If you see the schedule jobs, yes, it's assigned. Okay. Now I'm just going to check my monitor, not monitor. First, I will go administrator because whatever we have created in the data integration, those jobs, I mean schedules, as showing in the administrator or not, will check. Yeah, it's showing. So my schedule too, it's showing. Okay. So I have given every 5 minutes. So the start time is what we have given, 7 p.m. to 11:55. Okay, it's now 7 p.m. Okay, we have to wait, I think, another 3 minutes. It's a 7:02 right now. So for that we have to go monitor and we'll check the jobs are running or not. So the task flow one is already ran. So it's ran at 7 p.m. Okay, because we have given, right, so it's already ran, but I'm just waiting for second task flow to run. I'm just going to all jobs. So if you click on running jobs, it only shows whatever running. Okay, but if you click on all jobs means whatever ran, all the jobs it's going to be show here. So we have another 2 minutes to start this second job. Okay, I think at 7:05 this task flow 1 is going to be run, and task flow 2 also it's going to be run. I have just taken some break, so I'm just checking here in the all jobs, not running jobs. Running jobs it will show only current run, like previous run only it just going to show. So 7:10 it's ran, but before that 7:05 ran also we have to see. Okay, so if you see task flow and task flow 2 in all jobs, it's ran at 7:05. Okay, and also if you see the second and also 7:10 and task flow 1 and task flow 2 both ran. Okay, so yeah, everything is running as per our schedule. Okay, without publishing we cannot uh, schedule any job. If you schedule also, this job is not going to be run if we don't publish. Okay, this is the publish option. So before scheduling the job you have to publish this one. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to delete the scheduling. Okay, so first I will show you from administrator. Okay, so this my schedule I don't want. Okay, I don't want this schedule. If you want to delete this schedule you have to click here and delete, but it's not going to be delete because first whatever the jobs we have scheduled, we have added for this schedule, those job schedule we have to remove from the data integration end. Okay, so I'm just going to data integration again. So this task flow one I have assigned, right? So I have to remove this schedule. Okay, so this task flow one schedule I'm just going to delete. Okay, so if you delete this one, this is not deleting job, just whatever added schedule that we have deleted. Okay, so if you delete this one, then only you can delete this schedule. Okay, I'm just going to the administrator again. So I'm going to the schedules here. Now I'm just going to be delete. Okay, so like this we can delete the schedule. What is blackout period in IICS? Blackout period scheduling is one of the feature in IICS which helps us to turn off scheduled Informatica cloud jobs for some time during the planned Informatica cloud maintenance. Suppose tomorrow I have some planned Informatica cloud maintenance between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I got a notification, mail notification from Informatica as tomorrow they are planning for Informatica cloud maintenance. So at the time, if suppose my scheduled job has ran tomorrow between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., my jobs are going to be failed with an error notification as jobs failing due to lack of connectivity to the application under maintenance. These type of error notifications we will get. So we know that tomorrow there is a Informatica cloud maintenance. Our jobs are going to be failed with some error notification. I don't want this notification and I want to keep this all scheduled jobs as turn off in that particular time period. So I will use this blackout option. So in blackout period, if we specify this 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. as our blackout period, then no jobs, no scheduled jobs from IICS is going to be kicked off. Okay, and if suppose I have n number of schedules for an organization, then you can configure one blackout period for an organization so that all the schedules are going to be turned off in during blackout period time. Okay. And if suppose you have done some automation for scheduling the jobs, like you are not using the IICS for scheduling, you are using some external, so that time you cannot avoid such jobs to be not kicked off. So if only you schedule the jobs from IICS scheduling, then only you can stop by using blackout period. You can stop running the jobs in that particular time period. You can use this blackout period option. But if you have automated from external, like some other scheduling jobs, scheduling tools, that time you cannot stop this type of triggers. So my job is already running before start of blackout period. So 9 a.m. my blackout period is going to be start, but my job has already running at the time of blackout period start. That time that job is not going to be killed or stop. It's going to be run, and whatever the jobs which are going to be start between this blackout period, those jobs only not going to be kicked off. Okay, so and after completion of blackout period, all the jobs are going to be run as per the schedule. Suppose I have a scheduling between 9:30 to 10 a.m. Okay, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. But I have configured the blackout period as 9 to 10, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, after completion of this blackout period, um, these my scheduling, like whatever it's going to be run between 9:30 to 10 a.m., that schedule is not going to be immediately run after blackout period. It's just going to be run again tomorrow as per the daily schedule, 9:30 to 10 a.m. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you how to configure blackout period. So if you go to the schedules in under administrator, okay, if you go to the schedules, then you will see this blackout period option. Okay, if you enable this one, then this start and end time you will get this. This is also enabled. So we have to mention the start and end period of this blackout. Okay. So right now my date is 24th. Okay. And this is date only. And here time is there. And here I'm just going to give, right now my time is 7:57. So I'm just going to schedule from 8 8 p.m. Okay, to 8 p.m. to 8:10. Okay, so the job should not run our scheduling. So this my schedule too, I have it right. So this should not run between um, 8 to 8:10. Okay, we'll see in the monitor. This job is going to run every 5 minutes, right? Till we have 2 minutes for 8. So now it's 7:59. So this task flow 2 already it ran earlier, like 7:55. So our blackout period will start from 8 to 8:10. So this job is not going to run in next cycle. so that our blackout period is working fine. So it's 7:59. One more minute we have to wait. So it's 8 o'clock. So if you see running jobs, it's not running 7:55 only end time and start time, okay? So 8 is not there, it's not running. So our blackout period is working. So no data to display if I refresh this, okay? So all jobs if I keep its last is 7:55 only start time. Okay, so our blackout period option is working fine. So I think everybody understood what is blackout period and how to schedule the task flow in IICS and how to delete the schedule. Everything you understood, right? If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. I will try to reply. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Thank you so much.